Hello guys, I am talking about multimeter. It is a measuring instrument that offers the possibility of measuring uh, different electrical parameters and magnitudes in the same devices. The most common are voltmeter, ammeter, and ohmmeter. It's frequently used by personnel in the entire range of electronics and electricity. A multimeter has many functions. In general, it is used in measuring different magnitudes in an electrical circuit. Some of the functions of the multimeter are measurement resistance, continuous test, voltage measurement of alternating current or direct current, current measurement of alternate and continuous current, measurement capacitance, frequency, or resistances, measurement of detection of the presence of alternate current. In principle, we must identify and we are going to measure and have an idea of between the what values that measuring oscillate. Once identified, we look for the data on the taster scale. For example, if we want to measure a direct current voltage of 100 voltage, we look for the voltage in the taster that has a continuous line and we choose a largest value. Exist different multimeters, for example, analog multimeter and digital multimeter. The analog multimeter it shows a result of the measuring by means of a needle that indicate a scale the measuring value. The other multimeter is the digital multimeter. Is the throughout the circuit the digital multimeter converts obtained analog data into digital values that are displayed on a screen. These types of multimeters measuring with the same accuracy along meters, but they increase the accuracy when reading the measurement with a needle. But they increase the accuracy when running the measuring since with a needle there is a small error. This is all the topic multimeters, and thank you for attention.